Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Meta AI on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure your Instagram up to date. Tap aeroplane icon or messages icon on top right. Then tap compose button in the top right to open a new message. Here you will see Meta AI. Tap Meta AI. Meta AI. Messages are generated by AI. Another way you can open Meta AI chat box. Under messages, you will see Meta AI. Simply tap on it, or you can use blue circle beside Ask Meta AI anything. Tap on the blue circle and this will open up Meta AI chat box. Here you will see some options to use Meta AI. Enter a message to explore more about of what Meta AI can do. Then tap send button. You can send the commands to Meta AI as messages in the chat. Slash Imagine generates an image based on your text prompt. After slash Imagine, you can type anything that will generate image. Type anything and tap send to create image. Meta AI generate image. Meta AI generate image with Batman and Spider-Man. You can use Meta AI on chat conversation. Open any chat conversation to use Meta AI. In the search box, type and a menu will appear. Tap Meta AI, including Meta AI in chats. Tap OK. Now you can type anything after Meta AI. This will generate your requirement. So these are the steps to use Meta AI on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.